The rebate today is in partnership with CJM, coming back to the residents of Fairfax County as we look to reduce the carbon footprint within Fairfax County. So once again, our energy and environmental programs are working here as we move forward into the 2025 to 2035, and then hopefully to have a carbon footprint that has zero emissions.
The county's Office of Environmental and Energy Coordination, which is where I work, implements a number of different initiatives for Fairfax County, one of which is the Operational Energy Strategy. This was adopted by the board in 2018 and includes a target of reducing energy use in county facilities by 20% over 10 years. Energy efficiency projects are one of the best ways to meet this goal. For example, here at the Government Center, we replaced all the lights with LEDs, and we are estimating that to save 2 million kilowatt hours each year, which is the equivalent of the electricity use at almost 240 homes each year.
Our Board of Supervisors has had the opportunity to reevaluate and rethink how we do business here in Fairfax County. Going forward and going into the future, energy efficiency is going to be the key, and we all need to be a part of it. So we are doing our part here in Fairfax County government, led by the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, to ensure that our carbon footprint has been reduced.
There are a lot of great resources that the people of Fairfax County can use to learn about saving energy and energy efficiency. And I know that there are some things on the Fairfax County side about it, but there's also some great resources with the Department of Mines, Minerals, and Energy. It's healthier for you and your family, and it's just the right thing to do right now.